This is Idaho Idaho Northeastern Pacific. This train used to take passengers from, I don't know if they came from here or whether it was up the tracks further to Horseshoe Bend. They used to take them from Horseshoe Bend up to Cascade. We're in Idaho. A little different angle. As far as I know, they don't use this anymore. Just sitting here. Got open cars for passengers. I never did take that ride. I wish I would have. It's been closed now for about 10 years, I think. Thunder Mountain was what they called the train that went up to Cascade. I see they got this oil tanker with that on the side of it. I think that's a generator. And we have some old passenger cars. And a flat car. And some more passenger cars. No, a snow plow. We'll go stand in front of it so we see how big it is. We'll go stand in front of it so we see how big it is. There it is from a different angle. I'm fairly close to it. It's pretty good size though. I'm not sure what the tank is for. And over on the other side we have another one. It's all hooked up to engines. engine, a caboose, another engine, another caboose, and then the snow plow on the back, or front, depending on which way you're going. And that passenger train. That one's even got a spot where you can get up and look out and see up above. It's a little different angle, that snow plow. Can't really see the front of it. This one's got the wings that come out the sides and blade on the front. So much equipment right here in the way. I'm not sure if they're ballast levelers and cleaners. What they are is a green one and a yellow one. I'm just not going to be able to get a good view of the front end of that like I did the other one, because they got this big old building in the way. They can't get around film. There's the first snow plow from the back of it. Some more shots of the front of the first one. Looks like the lights are gone. Just a couple of holes up in the top where the lights would have been. There, a little bit of it is from the other side. This is the other train that was sitting here that was two old engines, or at least one old engine, a caboose. Another engine, doesn't look too bad. And another caboose, and then that snow plow. I'm going to keep trying to find more angles. Everywhere I go, they don't want us any closer than this to this stuff. Found 3 more engines. They're well taken care of. They've been painted red. Or 2 engines, I'm sorry. And a passenger coach. I didn't think this yard was being used anymore at all, but this road crossing right down here has got crossing lights on it, where all the rest of them just had stop signs or yield signs. But they might still be running a line out here from Payette. Got all the curtains drawn.